In terms of students being consultants, there's a question about were students consulted in regards to the mini masters. Yes, we used both feedback from the spring as well as feedback in working with
At the top of those stairs was a landing slash office space. Here was a screened-in porch off the dining room. You have a little foyer here with access to the garage. A half bath, laundry room, and if you continue, we are back at the kitchen. 2 refrigerators, sink, Thermador double oven, and a Wolf stovetop. Your formal dining, and back to the entryway.